What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release March 16th. But before we get into that review, we want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First, we got the Air Jordan Retro 5 Women exclusive Lucky Green, releasing February 28th. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 5 Olive, releasing March 2nd. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 4 Women exclusive Sail Metallic Gold, releasing March 9th. Now, all these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Now, getting right into the box, as you can see, we got the standard Jordan box with the two-tone print, all black on one side, elephant print on the other, green glow Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, green glow, wolf gray, size 11 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip the box lid up, elephant print paper. Let's go ahead and peel that back and get right into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Green Glow. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into the review. Now, the Green Glow color inspiration does come from a previous Air Jordan. The Air Jordan Retro 4 was dominantly gray with just the hit of the green glow accent color, and as you can see, this one is dominantly black with the green glow accent color. Now, going over to the top down view of the shoe, wolf gray sock liner, wolf gray tongue with the green glow Jumpman logo sitting on the top, elephant print sitting behind the black eyelets, got the green glow accent eyelets right here on the bottom. Now, going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can see, we have mixtures of the kind of slightly tumble leather upper sitting on top of the smooth black leather mid panel. Got the light gray elephant print on the toe and the heel. Got the black and white midsole sitting on top of the gray bottom, with the Jordan brand is sitting on the bottom in that green glow accent color. Now, going around to the back of the shoe, white cardboard sitting behind the heel tab. Got the green glow Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Air branding. Going around to the medial side of the shoe. Now, the first thing that I do notice on this medial side is this leather panel right here does have some nice texture to the leather. So maybe this one right here will be one of those type of releases where, depending on what shoe you get, you might have a dominantly smooth upper and some of your uppers might have some texture to the leather. But other than that, same exact way as the lateral side of the shoe, taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Green Glow. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.